There's not a shortage of advice out there of how to increase your barber clientele. It's not a shortage, man. There's all kind of barber gurus. You know what I mean? Young bulls who are really sharp as shit, very talented barbers, teaching you how to build your clientele. And it's a beautiful thing. But the only thing, or there's a lot of shit you can do, man. Pass out flyers, make website posts and Facebook groups. You can do so much shit. But what I found to work for me that increases my clientele the most is running Facebook ads, right? And, you know, running Facebook ads is kind of hard, man. That's why barbers don't do it. But the next easiest thing, for real, is Google Business Profile Optimization. Posting on Google. Fucking Google. Listen, Google still dominates search engines, right? Google is still the #1 dominator, in the search engine game. Nothing can fuck with Google. But what you should do, like you have to start optimizing not only for Google but for ChatGPT, right? Because a lot of motherfuckers use ChatGPT, Perplexity, right? A lot of people are using AI now, right? It's becoming mainstream. Not too many people are building with AI, right? You don't see too many motherfuckers going out there building with it, right? But that's even more reason on why you should, right? As a barber and a barbershop owner, rather if you're in a booth, you paying this motherfucker booth rent, right? Cool bull, living under his rules, under his roof. You gotta pay him rent. This can help you stack your bread to help you get up out of there. You gotta get out of there, dog. You're in a sweet little bit better. Barbershop owner, a little bit better. We gotta start owning buildings, right? But anyway, we'll talk about that shit later. You gotta optimize. You gotta get motherfuckers knowing who you is. You gotta get people knowing who you are. And the more people who know you, the more money that's gonna flow to you, right? If you go to a town and nobody knows you're a barber, you're gonna have to sit and wait for clientele to come to you, right? Until you start promoting. You have to promote. Barbers do not like to promote. They are stuck on their skill, their hands, their talent, right? Which is fine. That talent will go a long way, man. But promote that fucking talent. Let motherfuckers know that you are that barber. When you go to the store, when you go get some coffee, always keep a stack on you. Keep a stack on you. And that stack will be worth so much money. And I don't mean a stack of $100 bills or a stack of ones or 20s or 50s. I'm talking about a stack of business cards. A stack. Don't walk out the house without them. Keep them in your jacket. You know what I mean? Wear some cargo pants, right? Put them in your left pocket. Whip out your stack. You see a young boy with a cut. And those are the best people to get. The people with the fresh haircuts. Here you go, man. Take my card, man. Talk to them a little bit. Just like how you used to talk to a woman, talk to a potential client. Pull up on them. What's up, man? I like your cut. You live out here? Yeah, man. Da, 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 da. All right, cool. Look, you a barber. You used to talking to people. Look, man, I'm the barber around here. Just open up the shop or whatever, man. I don't know if you ever seen my work, but look, if your barber's ever busy, you got a sharp barber. But if he's ever busy or he's unavailable, look, man, I'll be your backup. Nothing wrong with that. I'll be your backup. It's okay being somebody's backup because barbers are divas now. You understand? Barbers are divas. You know, they get cocky. They make motherfuckers download the app. They do strictly appointments that can't fit you in. Or they'll charge a fucking emergency fee. Whatever, man. That's how you want to do business, right? But people don't like that. Barbers charging $80 a fade. You know what I mean? The boy gonna be like, how much you charge? Right? First thing you gonna say, how much you charge, man? Where's your work at? You got Instagram? Yeah, man, it's right there on the cart. Yeah, man, it's right there. You gotta keep flooding. You gotta keep you gotta keep filling people in, right? Because clients leave. You lose clients, right? You lose clients all the time. Not because you suck, not because you're an arrogant barber, right? You lose clients because clients fucking leave. Motherfuckers move to Arizona. Motherfuckers go down south because it's cheaper down there. You know what I mean? Motherfuckers go try a new barber. This girl with big titties start cutting hair. He found out that you know what I mean? He gotta get that. Nigga, he leaving. He gonna go. He gonna go to the big titty bitch. You know what I mean? Their niece start cutting hair. Their nephews start cutting hair. They start going bald, so they gotta start cutting their own hair. It's all kind of shit, man. Motherfuckers go broke. Gas is almost $6 a gallon, and they bitching. How you gonna compete with that? So your competitor is not really the boy around the corner. Your competitor isn't the other shop. Your competitor isn't the Spanish boys, isn't the black, isn't the white. No, your competitor is fucking Trump sometimes. And this fucking war that's going on. You understand? Your competitor is fucking drug addictions. It's all kind of shit, dog. A lot of police activity in this complex this morning. What the fuck is going on? Cops around here always, excuse me for getting sidetracked, but they always blowing shit up to where they need 6 cops to handle a situation. I don't know what the protocol for that is. But anyway, look, get your business Google profile up, man. Use AI to help get your Google business profile rocking. You're using Booksy or any fucking thing else where it got ratings and reviews, build that shit. Don't just fucking get it once and set it and just fucking leave it. Part of your day should be building and laying your foundation. Yeah, man, you can play on TikTok, you can fuck with Instagram, and you can look at whatever fuck else you're looking at. Yes, that's part of life, man. It's entertainment, dog. We get bored sometimes. It's okay to play the game or walk around or do whatever, man, talk shit. But the first couple hours of your day should be laying the foundation and optimizing your shit. Optimize your shit, dog. Set your goals, see what you're gonna do. Optimize your shit so you can get the fuck what you want to get out of this world. Anyway, I just want to highlight you, man. I'll break it down a little bit later for you on how to fucking really do it, man. But, you know, start fucking figuring out Google business profile optimization. Just start figuring that shit out. It's easy. It's fucking easy, dog. It's like free money. Anyway, I'll see you at the top, man. All right?